Hey guys, I hope you're all doing great despite these difficult times and that you're not dying of boredom because of the lockdown and everything. So today's project here is going to be, I'm going to try to clean these two pieces of jewelry. And I think most of you guys you're also subscribing to a lot of bead boxes. I do. I love them very much. But sometimes the findings, the metal parts, are not of super great quality, so they tarnish. That's not fun. As you can see, this one, for example, we're going to try to fix it today. I hope you can see this. You see, these two colors are the same. Well, I'm going to do it like this. Okay, these two are the same. This is gold, yellow gold, and this is supposed to be yellow gold, but it isn't anymore. It's more of a bronze copper tone. And this only after 2 hours of wear. Not good. But I like it, and I don't want to throw it away or take it apart, and so I'm going to try to clean this. And the same thing with this one. It's also 2 hours of wear and totally disgusting chain. So okay, so what we're going to do, it's quite easy. We have a regular bowl, regular kitchen bowl. It's a ceramic of some kind, and aluminum foil, and I've put it with the shiny side up or in the bowl because I heard that, so I'm going to do that. All right, and then you're going to take here, it's regular table salt. I'm going to use about, let's say, 2 tablespoons. Sorry. And here we have baking soda, not baking powder. This is baking soda. And we're going to have like, say, 3 maybe. You stir this around. You can stir with whatever you want, except maybe not metal. I don't know if that's going to be so great. Okay, and then you're going to put in your jewelry. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with this one, and I'm going to try to do only half of it so that we can compare. Sounds good? I think so. Okay, just put it in there, and I'm going to chuck all of this chain in there, and then I'm going to add some water. Regular tap water is fine, not boiling hot though, and not lukewarm either, but well, if lukewarm is 50% and boiling hot is 100%, you can use maybe 75 or 80% hot. You know what I mean? All right, let's pour this in here, and it's going to soak. And you're going to stir for a bit. And then you're just going to leave it like this for about 5 minutes, I'd say. So go have a cup of coffee or some tea, do something and wait. And during these 5 minutes, you can stir a little bit now and then. Not too hard so you break the aluminum foil. I don't know what's going to happen if you do that, but well, better stay on the safe side, right? We're going to leave it here for a bit, and then after we have done this, I'm going to try a different way of cleaning. I'm just going to go find another piece of jewelry that we can clean. All right, I'll be back. Put it over here. Stir some more. Stir, 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 stir. All right, I'll be back. Okay, so now we're back, and I've been letting this sit for about 5, 10, okay, more, 10 minutes, and I've stirred some in it, and now it's time for the next step. All right, so grab an old toothbrush and start to rub. Brush the chain like this, and you can see that it's already coming off. Can you see that? I hope so. And the chain will never become 100% super shiny and golden as it once were, but it's such a dramatic change so that you can wear it without feeling ashamed. So what you do, you just brush, 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 so you can get all the dirt out of the links. And a lot of people ask why chains and stuff tarnish, and it's because of I'd say a little bit poor quality of the metal or the alloy or the chain, whatever, and it reacts to your skin, to the air around us, humidity and stuff. And you should, for example, never ever shower with your jewelry on, because it will tarnish. And I think the main reason why it tarnishes is that the metal reacts to your skin and your sweat. You don't have to be like super sweaty or anything. It reacts. That's what it does. Okay, so if you what I'm going to do, I'm going to brush these until I think they look okay, and then I'm going to rinse them off in just regular tap water, lukewarm tap water, and then I come back and show you the result. All right, so be back in a jiffy. Okay, so now I have rinsed them off just using lukewarm water, because you have to be careful to get all the grain out. The baking soda is kind of grainy, and that sticks to everything here, so you have to be careful to get that out. And the cool thing with this is, well, first you just have to wipe them or dry them with a piece of kitchen paper, whatever, so that they are dry. Otherwise, I think they might start to tarnish again. I don't know. For this smaller chain, I could have brushed some more. I should try to do this again, because everything didn't really come off, but it looks okay, I think. Yeah. And the other one, this is cool. It looked like this before, not nice, and now it looks like this. Can you see the difference? That is so cool. You know, I only had this side, this part of the chain in the water, and this outside, so you can't really see the difference. That's cool. And the cool thing is, I think, that you can chuck all of this into the water with the baking soda and salt, and you know, and it will not harm the stones or the glass or anything else. So that's really cool. And if you're not happy with the result the first time, just do it again and brush and brush and brush, and they will turn out really, really nice. Cool. And I also have another way of doing this cleaning. Let's take these away. All right, like that. I have a little bowl here, and I have a chain that is absolutely awful, as you can see. Horrible, can't use it. Then you just use some regular ketchup. Regular ketchup, any brand. I have our native Felix, it's called. It's our native brand, but you can use whatever, Heinz, whatever you have. And just like that. And then you put your chain in here, like that. Okay. And I'm not so sure you should use ketchup with, for example, I don't know, jalapeno or chili or something like that. I don't know. But just use regular household ketchup and it's gonna work just fine. So I'm just gonna leave it here for, I don't know, 5-10 minutes, and then I'll come back and we're gonna do some brushing. All right, see you. Okay, we're back again, and I have let the necklace soak for about, let's say 7-8 minutes maybe, and then I have brushed half of the chain, this part, with a toothbrush, and as you can see, this is not the one that I've cleaned. This is brushed, and I think the result is actually very good, as opposed to this one who's just been soaked. So if you brush a little bit more, and then I think it will be good to go again. So what I did was just, brush it like this. Oh, I'm sorry, my whole table was wobbling around here. Okay, so I think that this actually turned out really nice. It's a bit messy, of course, since you have ketchup all over, if you're not careful. But I think this works very well. So this is what you're going to do. Just brush, brush, brush until you think it's until you think it looks good. And then you wash it in lukewarm water and you have a look at it, and if you are satisfied with the result, you're good, and if you're not, just brush some more. And I am not quite sure why this works, because but I think it's the ketchup has vinegar in it, and that acts as a reactant to the tarnish in the chain. So this is kind of cool, actually, that you can clean it so easily. And you can do this in front of the TV, and it doesn't take a long time. And also the other way to do it with the baking soda, that's also very easy. It doesn't take a long time. So just scrub, 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 and then you can use all your beautiful jewelry again. And it's a sad thing about these. This chain is very expensive to buy. So when you get your subscription box and you open it and you see, whoa, there's a whole meter piece of chain in there, you get very, very happy. And then it's kind of a disappointment when it doesn't, measure up. But luckily there are good ways to clean it, so you can use it anyway. And it's good if you have customers and stuff, you should tell them, let them know how to clean the jewelry in case it should tarnish. My jewelry tarnished. Maybe I'm an alien, I don't know. Maybe I have acid, sweat and blood, I don't know. But it does tarnish. So I clean it like this. All right, now I'm going to go wash this off and we'll take a look together. Oh my god, I have ketchup everywhere. Yeah, so I think this turned out really nice. Look at that. Looks pretty golden to me instead of dark bronzish color. So this is nice. So when comparing these two methods of cleaning, I would say that the ketchup method was the best one, and the other one is fine too, but I think this was the best one. So that's what I'm going to recommend. Use ketchup, any variety, and just scrub, scrub, scrub with your toothbrush. All right, so I hope this will be of help to you in your cleaning projects. All right, so thanks for now. Bye bye.